Deciphering Idioms, I'll drop you a line. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase, I'll drop you a line. This idiom might sound a bit odd at first, especially if you're picturing someone literally dropping a line somewhere. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means and how to use it in your conversations. So, let's unravel this phrase together. I'll drop you a line is an informal way of saying that someone will send a message, letter, email, or any form of written communication to another person. The line here metaphorically represents a line of text. It implies a promise or a plan to contact someone, typically to update them on something or just to keep in touch. The phrase originates from the days before digital communication, when writing letters was a primary method of staying in contact with others. The term line refers to a line of writing in a letter. Saying, I'll drop you a line, was akin to saying, I'll send you a short message or note. Over time, the phrase has evolved to encompass any form of written communication, not just letters. Using I'll drop you a line is pretty straightforward. It's best used in informal settings among friends, family, or close colleagues. Here are a few examples to help you understand how to use it. After a meeting, it was great catching up with you today. I'll drop you a line next week to see how things are going. Planning a future contact, once I have the details, I'll drop you a line so we can arrange everything. Keeping in touch, even though I'm moving to a new city, I'll drop you a line from time to time. And that's a wrap on I'll drop you a line. We hope this video has clarified what the phrase means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Remember, idioms like this one add color and personality to our language, making it more vibrant and expressive. So, don't hesitate to drop someone a line every now and then. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more language learning tips. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.